Hello and welcome. I am Thamizharasu, your expert business coach. Today we are going to explore a concept that's crucial to any manufacturing business success: manufacturing KPIs. If you are looking to boost efficiency, productivity, and profit within your manufacturing business, you are in the right place. So let's jump right in.
1. Understanding the concept. What are manufacturing KPIs? Well, to start with, manufacturing KPIs or key performance indicators are measurable metrics that help businesses in the manufacturing industry evaluate their operational performance. These indicators vary from one business to another, but they all share the same aim: to measure success and drive improvement. 2. The role of manufacturing KPIs in business growth. Manufacturing KPIs play a vital role in business growth. They give you a clear picture of your business's performance, helping you identify areas that need improvement, create strategic goals, and track your progress towards those goals. By focusing on the right KPIs, you can boost your productivity, reduce costs, ultimately, increase profits and customer satisfaction. 3. Top 10 most important KPIs in manufacturing industry. There's a wide variety of KPIs that you can measure, from production costs and cycle times to quality metrics and customer satisfaction. But to help you prioritize, we'll be discussing the top 10 most important KPIs for manufacturing businesses in our upcoming segment. 4. Analyzing performance. How to measure manufacturing KPIs. Measuring manufacturing KPIs is no simple task. It requires a streamlined process, accurate data collection, and thorough analysis. We'll be walking you through the steps on how to effectively measure your KPIs. Define your goals. The first step in measuring manufacturing KPIs is to define your ultimate business goals. These objectives will guide the selection of KPIs to track. Always remember, your KPIs should be directly linked to your business strategy. Collect and analyze data. Once you've chosen your KPIs, it's time to collect data. This process involves tracking production processes, employee performance, maintenance schedules, and more. After you've gathered sufficient data, it's time to analyze it. Look for patterns, trends, and potential problem areas. Implement changes and monitor progress. Based on your analysis, make necessary changes to improve performance. This could be enhancing production processes, training employees, or investing in better equipment. After changes are implemented, continue to monitor your KPIs to measure progress and adjust strategies as needed. 5. How effective manufacturing KPIs improve production efficiency. Effective KPIs are those that directly impact your production efficiency. By identifying bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and areas for improvement, you can take action to optimize your operations. Effective manufacturing KPIs provide a clear, measurable way to track progress and identify areas that need improvement. They help manufacturers understand where their efforts are paying off and where resources might be better allocated. Reducing downtime. KPIs related to equipment effectiveness and downtime can pinpoint recurring issues that lead to production delays. By identifying and addressing these issues, companies can reduce downtime, increase efficiency, and improve their bottom line. Improving process efficiency. Process-specific KPIs can help manufacturers identify inefficiencies in their production lines. Whether it's a bottleneck in a specific stage of production or a wasteful process, KPIs provide the data needed to make informed decisions and streamline operations. Enhancing quality control. KPIs related to product quality and defect rates give manufacturers the ability to track their products' quality over time. This data can serve as a valuable tool for identifying trends, forecasting future issues, and implementing corrective measures to improve product quality. Optimizing resource use. Resource-related KPIs, such as labor productivity and material usage, can highlight areas where resources are being wasted or underutilized. By optimizing resource use, manufacturers can reduce costs and improve production efficiency. 6. The interplay between quality control and manufacturing KPIs. Quality control and manufacturing KPIs go hand in hand. By measuring quality-related KPIs, you can ensure that your products meet customer expectations and industry standards. 7. Utilizing manufacturing KPIs for predictive maintenance. Did you know that you can use manufacturing KPIs for predictive maintenance? By monitoring certain indicators, you can predict potential equipment failures and schedule maintenance ahead of time, avoiding costly downtimes. 8. Manufacturing KPIs and their impact on supply chain management. Manufacturing KPIs not only affect your business internally, but they also have a significant impact on your supply chain management. We'll explore this interconnection in more detail in our next segment. 9. Leveraging technology, digital tools for tracking manufacturing KPIs. Thanks to technology, tracking manufacturing KPIs has never been easier. We'll delve into some digital tools that you can use to monitor your KPIs effectively. Data integration tools. Software like Microsoft SQL Server and Oracle Golden Gate can help you integrate data from various sources into one platform. This makes tracking and analyzing KPIs seamless, despite the complexity and diversity of data sources. Predictive analytics tools. Tools like IBM SPSS and SAS Business Intelligence enable you to forecast future trends based on your KPI data. This allows for proactive decision-making and better planning. Mobile apps. There are numerous mobile applications designed specifically for manufacturing KPI tracking. These apps allow you to monitor your KPIs on the go and provide instant alerts for any significant changes. That wraps up our detailed roadmap for this journey into manufacturing KPIs. To make sure you don't miss any part of this insightful series, subscribe to our channel now and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know when the next video drops.